Hey Wealth Lab users, Glitch here. Today we're going to talk about what's new in Wealth Lab 7 Build 22. So let's get started. So Build 22 is a fairly small update, so I don't think this video will be too long. The first thing we have in this build is adding this version information block to the home page. So whenever Wealth Lab 7 starts up, you now get a clear picture of the current version. I am running now build 26. I'm still a few builds behind on these videos. The current build available is build 26, so you can see at a glance if you're current. If you're not current, you'll see like a flashing alert here letting you know that there is a more up-to-date build available. Below this are all of the extensions, and the extensions that are also have a more current version will be highlighted in red and brought to the top of the list. So at a quick glance, you can see which extensions you need to update. I see I need to update my Finantic Optimizer by Dr. Koch, a great collection of new optimization methods that you can download for Wealth Lab 7. It's available on the extensions page. And speaking of the extensions page, right here below this list, you have the link to click to take you directly to the Wealth Lab 7 extensions page where you can peruse the collection of extensions we have available and install directly from here. There's quite a bit of powerful things here. So here are the Finantic optimizers I was talking about. So this is where you can get those. You can specify a default workspace. So workspaces in Wealth Lab 7 are greatly improved from Wealth Lab 6. They work on multi-monitor setups now. So when you save a workspace, it saves the window states for all of your monitors. And when you restore that workspace, everything comes back on each monitor just as you saved it. It's all controlled here from the workspaces menu. You notice all of these items here are workspaces that I created. And you open a workspace simply by clicking on that item. So this new menu item here is the new feature we introduced in Build 22. Saving the current workspace is the default workspace. So then the next time you start Wealth Lab 7, it'll start with that workspace. Then if you change your mind later, you can use this to clear the default workspace. That'll get you back to the baseline workspace, which is simply the home page here. There's also a new command line argument allowing you to open Wealth Lab 7 by specifying a workspace name in double quotes. Finally, also related to workspaces is the workspaces are now saving much more information related to the chart. So for example, if I open up this workspace, 2 charts, you'll see that the charts opened up with a couple of indicators plotted. However, the style of the chart, this chart has filled candlesticks. The height of the chart panes, notice how this RSI pane is much larger than usual. I changed it here with the drag bar, made it bigger. The plot style with the dashed line, all of these indicator style settings and pane settings are now saved in the workspace. So that's it. It's a quick one this time for Build 22, but the next few build videos will have some pretty substantial new features. So keep an eye open for those. Thanks for watching and see you all on the Wealth Lab forum.